Hi, I'm Amelia, and on behalf of Expert Village, I'm here to talk about troubles that you have with your hair. Now, the best way to get rid of oily hair, obviously, is to wash it. Well, let's say you get up late for work and you don't have time. A quick fix would be to take some cornstarch or baby powder, and you don't want to use a lot. The reason why I'm using cornstarch is because that will actually absorb oil. And baby oil, powder usually has cornstarch in it. And you don't use a lot, because if not, if so, you'll get little white spots on your hair. Now that looks scary right now, but let me show you what we're going to do. And the cornstarch actually goes in and absorbs the oil. There's a lot of products on the market now, too, that help with this. And they even have powders that have color in them, so you don't have to worry about the white spots. So I'm going to take my dryer on low. The whole idea is to really shake that powder down towards the scalp, because obviously that's where the source of the oil is. And as you can see, that oil is absorbed, and now you can rush off to work.